Hey guys, Namaste and welcome to our YouTube channel Tutor Pratik. On today's CSS session, we are going to learn about the property overflow. When we design our box elements, we give a fixed height and weight for each HTML elements. And when we added the contents in these boxes, sometimes our text contents are very bigger than our box size, which makes the overflow of our text out of our box size. So today we are going to learn how to manage this overflow text content from any box elements. For this, please keep watching our video till end, and before we start, if you still haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell button that it will be notified whenever we publish our new session videos. So let's start today's session. The CSS Overflow property specifies whether to clip the content or to add scrollbars when the content of an element is too big to fit in the specific area. The Overflow property has the following values: visible, hidden, scroll, or auto. Even we not define the overflow value as a visible, by default the overflow value is visible, meaning that it is not clipped and it renders outside the element box. So if you want to hide the overflow contents, we can give the hidden value for our overflow properties. We can see that on our div, the text contents are only showing that are fitted inside them, and the rest of the overflow contents are clipped out. Similarly, if you want to add a scroll bar, that all the contents, even they are overflow, can be checked using a scroll bar. For this, we can add a value scroll for the property overflow. Now we can see that we have a scroll bar for vertical and horizontal, that we can able to scroll all the contents that are inside our HTML elements. Similarly, we have also another auto value for our overflow property. It is most similar to the scroll, but it adds scroll bar only when necessary. Like, let's change our overflow property into auto. Here in our web page, we can see that in our HTML box, even our text are overflow, we don't need the horizontal scroll bars. That's why by using this auto value for our overflow property, it automatically added the vertical scroll bar, which is only necessary for our HTML div element. In this way, for management overflow contents for any HTML elements, we can use this overflow property and apply the various values as per our requirement. But even you need to add a scroll bar, we can use the another property overflow-x, and we can give a value scroll, that by using this overflow-x property, and when we give the value scroll, it adds the horizontal scroll bar. Or if you want to hide it, you can use hidden, that it will hide the horizontal scroll bar. Similarly, if you want to hide or show the vertical scroll bars, we can use overflow-y hidden to hide the vertical scroll bars. And just if you want to add the horizontal one, we can use a value scroll, which makes the horizontal scroll bar visible and vertical scroll bar will be hidden. So by using this overflow-f or -y and giving the value scroll for showing the scroll bar and hidden for hide the scroll bars, we can use this overflow-x for horizontal scroll bars and overflow-y property for the vertical scroll bars. That's all for today. We will come back soon with another CSS session videos. Until then, take care, goodbye.